this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your USDT through Bybit P2P. Before I do so, this is strategies. On this channel, we do about cryptocurrency and I can make money from it. This topic interests you, please do well to subscribe and turn the bell icon. So the first step is to open your Bybit wallet. The hit on display that said asset. So all you need to do is to ensure that the funds that you want to sell, the USDT you want to sell through Bybit P2P should be on your funding wallet. For me, it is on my unified trading. I need to do is to transfer it to my fund. To do that, I need to on the transfer right here. I need to the transfer button, as you can see. This place is showing from funding to unified trading. All I need to do is to just tap on this place to switch it, then hit on this place, then pick USDT. Yes, so that the amount you can select the amount you want, or you can type maximum. So hit on the confirm. Look at the transfer the USDT from my unified trading to my funding wallet. All I need to do is to hit on the home button. So on home button, just hit on this place that said more. It's going to pick up more services. All we need to do is to look for the P2P option, which is this right here. Tap on the P2P trading options. So once it loads up, since we are selling our USDT on the P2P, we have the buy and the sell session. Analog this. We have the buy and the buy and sell session. Since we are selling USDT, hit on the sell, tap on the sell. So it's going to pick up everybody that's willing to sell USDT for you. So for USDT, the first thing to do is to tap on the amount you want to sell. So tap on the amount, so that it's going to pick up people that's going to buy the amount of USDT of 9 USDT, so which should be equivalent to maybe 9,000 naira. If you have 100 USDT, sometimes equivalent to 100,000 naira. Just put it under it. So just tap 9,000 naira. So it's going to pick up people that need to buy USDT from 9,000 naira and above. As you can see, this guy right here is going to buy USDT from 100k, but we're not going to make use. These are just the top picks that Bybit pick out from new users. Based on this guy, I will do a lot of transactions on the app. The guy that is very, very much legit. You see this guy right here. This guy used to say from 2,000 naira to 100,000. As you can see, is ineligible. The number of people that are eligible to sell with, and this particular guy right here is very much eligible for you to sell with. So you can see the limit is 2,000 naira to 13,000 naira. You can see it has that's the guy has services 169 orders. You can also see this guy right here. This guy also is eligible. So all you do is to just look for the person that's going to sell at a much higher price. And I believe this guy is going to sell at a much higher price than this. This one wants to sell at 1,210 naira 0.1 cents. What they're going to say for 1,210 naira or 25 cents. We can't sell to this particular guy right here because the limit is 100k. This guy is only buying a USDT that was worth 100,000 naira to 18 million naira. What we don't want to sell is 9 USDT, so we just have to scroll down. People that are eligible for us to sell to. Okay, I think they have updated it. I think this particular guy is not eligible. Limit 2 million, 1 million. So let's just type in our amount again. I want to sell. So it will confirm. You just have to scroll down. Let's say for this guy, Oliman, which have completed 769 order. Just hit on the sell. Once you do so, it's going to bring this option for you to type the amount of USDT you want to sell. So I'm selling all my USDT, and when I do so, I'm going to receive 12,749 naira. So on this place, you have to put your payment for the first time. You have to put your bank account, your account details that you can using to receive your money. When you do, ensure the account name you put in should correspond to the name you're using registry for this Bybit account. Once you have put in your account name, all you do is to hit on the sell. Once you hit on the sell, automatically they're going to notify the buyer that somebody wants to sell 9.7 USDT. So the person is going to send the money to you ensure you go to your account to confirm that you have received the amount. You have received the amount. Once you have received the amount, then you log into your Bybit and you tap on release coin. You're going to see options for release coin. So you just tap on option for release coin. Automatically successfully sell your USDT on Bybit. It's very easy. So if this video was helpful, please like and comment on sell USDT on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Peace out.